5 low maintenance passive income ideas that you can start from the comfort of your own home, whether you're a homebody, a student, or working a full-time job. I will also highlight the levels of maintenance in this video. So some of these streams of income are lower maintenance than others, and some of them require just a little bit more time. Welcome if you're new. My name is Jessiara, and welcome to the podcast where we talk all things being a boss in business, wellness, growing your finances, and life in your 20s. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then consider subscribing and joining the conversation down below in the comments. Passive income number 1 is by far the easiest and something that I think everybody should do, and that is affiliate marketing. You probably heard this floating around on YouTube. Affiliate marketing is definitely the way to go if you want to make a couple hundred or even thousands of pounds a month. Affiliate marketing is essentially sharing a link with your followers, friends, or family of products that you use on a daily basis. And one thing I love about this is that anybody can do affiliate marketing. You do not have to be an influencer or a celebrity or whatever to be an affiliate on an affiliate platform. I use platforms like Amazon Affiliates, Amazon Associates, and that is one of the biggest affiliate platforms out there, and I definitely recommend that you use it. If you use Amazon on a daily basis like me, I have an Amazon package coming tomorrow. I use Amazon on a daily basis, so run me my check. But if you use Amazon, for example, frequently, and if there's a product on there that your family are interested in, your friends are interested in, colleagues, workers, whoever it may be, send them the link. If you sign up to the Amazon Associates program, you can create a link, a trackable link, where if you send the link to somebody and they click on it, they purchase it, you then get a commission of that product. And like I said, this can be anything. You don't have to be a beauty guru or a tech person or a fashionista to use Amazon Associates. I will leave a link down below if you are interested. I definitely recommend everyone getting an Amazon Associates because Amazon is one of the biggest companies in the world. You might as well get some commission for recommending a product. I know for me personally, I have had 4-figure months with my affiliate marketing multiple times, and it has been one of the, if not the easiest stream of income for me being a content creator. You can make thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds just off of sharing a link with someone of a product that you love and that you generally use on a daily basis, and sharing it with someone else and getting a commission. And then, for example, if you make a TikTok about it, you can reach a larger audience, but that's a whole other story. I know for me as well, because I do fashion, lifestyle content, and beauty content as well, I use Like to Know It. If you do fashion content, if you like makeup and skincare and outfits and share your outfit of the days with friends and family, then use Reward Style. That is another affiliate for the beauty, fashion, lifestyle sector. So I will also leave a link for that down below. The second low maintenance passive income for 2023 that I think is blowing up, and I feel like this has been a thing for years, and that is digital products. This year especially, everyone's going to be jumping on the trend of making ebooks and digital templates, downloadable templates and PDFs that everyone can download and use. And the great thing with this stream of income is that all you have to do, I say this, but for some people this may be so time consuming, and if you are looking to make thousands of pounds a month, then I definitely recommend jumping on this. But if you're looking for something a little bit low maintenance, then stick to the affiliate marketing one, but it only takes you the one time for it to become reoccurring. But when you're creating your digital products, you have to think about what is in demand. What do people want? For example, for me, being a mother to a toddler, I am always looking for new ways to educate my daughter. Black and white cards, alphabet cards, number cards, coloring books, coloring sheets. Things like that is really good because all you have to do is go into Canva, PDF downloadable document that I can print off at home and then use for my child. It's the same thing with journals. Everyone is on their wellness journey, which I love. So you can also create your own journal on Canva. This is not sponsored by Canva at all, but Canva is a really, really good site for you to literally just drag and drop templates of anything and then sell it onto platforms like Etsy or Amazon. So like I said, I think that digital products are amazing because all you have to do is create the product and it will do the work for you. For example, platforms like Etsy, all you have to do is upload your PDF, upload the file, and make sure that it is downloadable, that it does work. And all the person has to do when they purchase the product is they download it and it gets sent to their email straight away. That's all you have to do. All you have to do is create the product. Make sure that it is a product that is in demand, something that people will actually want and something that people will need in their day-to-day life. And if you are interested in starting your own digital product, I will leave below some links to help you out with that. So the third low maintenance passive income stream is something that I recently came across. And this is something I don't think many people are talking about. So this is a you heard it here first type of thing. And that is something called asset sharing. You are sharing an asset of yours. So that may have been something that you bought, something that you own, for example, your car, your home. You are sharing an asset that you own with somebody else who may need it at the time. So for example, you may rent your car out to somebody for a weekend who needs it to go into the city, to go to a meeting, to meet family. You may rent out your home like Airbnb, that type of thing. You can even rent out smaller products like your baby stroller. As soon as I heard you can rent your stroller, I'm jumping on the trend. My child is 2 years old. She doesn't like to sit in her stroller anymore. She likes to walk. So I'm definitely going to be using this service. I will leave more information about asset sharing below, and if you are interested in it, which I definitely recommend, it is one of the higher maintenance, low maintenance passive income ideas for those of you who is looking for something long term. I think even renting out a room of your home for a photo studio, for my job, that would be absolutely amazing if I could use someone's beautiful kitchen or beautiful bathroom or beautiful studio to shoot my content out for a few hours. Rent it out for £50 an hour, £75 an hour. You're making passive income off of something you already own. You might as well use it to your advantage. The fourth low maintenance passive income stream is something that has blown up over the last year, and that is user generated content. Now, I don't want to toot my own horn, but if you have been following me for a while, I mentioned that UGC content will be huge. The user-generated content is content created by the everyday person. So in comparison to regular everyday advertising, you know, like a YouTube ad or like a really fancy hair ad or shoe ad or perfume ad, it's the complete opposite of that. So it is something that is really low budget, every day, it's more relatable, and it is usually filmed by the everyday person, which I love UGC content. I've been doing user-generated content before it was even a thing, before it had the term UGC. To create user-generated content, you do not have to have a platform. You do not have to have thousands of followers on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. You don't have to be a person on the internet to create UGC content. And I feel like that is what the magic of UGC is that the everyday person with not a million followers is creating a review essentially of a product that they love. So for example, let's say I have this hairspray that I use in my hair. I will take a video of this hairspray. I'll show you how I use my hairspray. I might add in a voiceover of the benefits of this product, something that can improve this product, and what I love about the product, what I don't love about the product. Very low budget, very normal, literally just a product review. It's really, really simple. All you need is your phone, a product that you like, and you just film away and reach out to some brands that you like. Even send them a video or two, or even photography. It doesn't have to be videos of products that you've used from them. Tell them why you like it. Tell them why you'd be great to create more UGC content for them. And there you have your next stream of income. Really simple. This is one of the more higher, low maintenance ones. It probably is up there because you do have to keep going, but it depends if you want to turn it into something full time. It depends if you want it to be just a little side hustle that you do. But I love UGC. I do UGC for brands constantly, and I love it. And you can make really, really good money with it. And the last low maintenance passive stream of income is low content documents. This is very similar to digital products. Digital products is kind of just a whole. So a low content document is essentially creating a document, a PDF on a website like Canva, and then putting it onto Amazon or Etsy and selling it. Like I said, it's like the digital products, but this one is more specific. I will leave some links to videos which explain it into more detail if you're interested. If you are an artsy person, this will be an amazing way to showcase your work and to create something unique and individual, and even to create a brand for yourself within low content documents. The most popular low content document that I can think of is a journal. Journals are really, really popular. As it's the new year, everyone's wanting to write down their goals, everyone's wanting to be more productive. You can even use print on demand services to do this for you. So a print on demand service is essentially uploading your artwork or your document to the third party website. They will do the printing, the shipping for you. All you have to do is create it. Low content documents is by far, out of all of the lists that I've gone through today, it is the most high maintenance out of all of them, just because it's time consuming in terms of making the document. If you want to make a journal, you have to actually make the journal, you have to put in the pages. I will give you guys some low content document ideas that is absolutely trending right now and that I definitely recommend if you're interested to jump on board. Journals, to-do lists, diaries, t-shirts, socks, towels, blankets, hoodies and hats. And I do want to preface that there may be some fees involved in terms of printing. You may have to create a certain amount to be able to ship. You may have to put in some money in the beginning. Please do your own research into the fees. But that is all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you're getting on board with any of these low maintenance passive income streams. If you want to see more, I will definitely do some more digging. I will do some more research for you guys and I'll come to you with a part 2 for this video. But if you like videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe, comment down below your thoughts, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.